Alright guys, so we got Cons booster boxes. I told myself we weren't going to do this, but we are anyway. Alright. You want to open it?
Just like that, huh?
Yeah, let's open it.
Stop right in.
We'll move this one over. We are most likely not going to do most of the uncommons. We're going to go straight to the rares. Try to make this video pretty fast.
Fast as
You
you
probably
can for this many cards.
You probably see the puppy running back and forth. And let's begin. I'll go first.
Okay.
Foil already. Got the goblin token.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a rare too. 1,000 Winds. Foil. And Butcher of the Horde. Right there. So that's a good first pack.
You sacrifice a creature, and it gets your choice of Vigilance, Lifelink,
Oh,
or
sorry.
Haste until end of turn.
Yeah.
Here we go. That
Juke.
That Manny. Bam! Mantis Rider. 3-drop for a 3/3. Flying, Vigilance, Haste.
Nice. That morph token. You want tokens there?
Yeah, separate them too. We got tokens, rares.
Grim Harpex. Hospex.
We're just naming them.
Yeah, nice 75-cent card.
We're not telling what they do. Got that morph. That Manny. Ooh!
Uh-oh.
Got that dual blue-white.
Show it.
Flooded Strand.
The blue whites ain't pulled that one yet. Nothing.
No.
Ooh!
Holly Manny.
Hollow mana foils go to there. And end hostilities. Destroy all creatures and all permanents attached to creatures.
Ooh.
For a 5 white. Not bad.
5.
Yeah, it's
Goodness. Trash. Trash. Bam! Altar of the Brood or Brood?
and we got Hoarded Hydra.
Got that Hydra.
Actually a pretty decent card. Not the best Hydras out there, but
Goblin. Mountain. Ooh, Hollow Mythic Rare. Narcissist Enlightened Master.
nice.
I don't know. It does cool stuff.
It does
and
cool.
then we have Ash Cloud Phoenix.
Nice. Another mythic.
It is another mythic. What are we doing?
And we have a foil Dragon Scale boon. And Mind Swipe.
That's for the spell. Ooh, counter.
Fucking blue.
Red blue counter. Got that warrior token.
Ooh.
Oh, another hollow.
Warrior token.
Hollow blinding spray. Rush. Rush.
Rakishi.
Not it.
We got Icy Blast. Not that good of a card.
Dang, just like that. Just whatever. It's garbage.
A Garbage.
Oh, go in. Oh, I gotta start. Junk.
And
Junk.
we have a morph.
Bam! Asbend Ascendancy? Ascendancy?
Yeah.
Sure.
Ankle Shanker.
Really?
Ankle Shanker.
See a little goblin?
Yeah. A Goblin Berserker.
Warrior. Bam! Crackling Doom.
Not a
Crackling Doom.
Morph token.
Bet.
And we...
Oh,
Oh!
screw it.
Nacet Enlightened Master. Non-foil.
Right of the Serpent. Oh, that's a hollow. Deflecting Palm.
Ooh,
Damn.
that's that one.
She just gave that man a 5 to the face.
Fiver.
You ain't even talking to me no more. Mm-mm.
Necropolis Fiend.
That's that, This should have been Deflecting Palm Head Shake. Yeah, Morph token. Why don't you say together? And then a force, another hollow. Timely Horde's-Mate. And Master of Pearls.
You know what?
Uh-oh.
I have a red foil here.
Oh no.
Is it the Planeswalker?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, it's not.
Valley Dasher.
Ghostfire Blade.
I like that long shot squad.
Ooh. Long shotter.
I went too fast. I don't know what that is. Uggin's Nexus. Oh, that's that extra turn one. That's pretty sweet.
And we have... same one.
Hey, long shot squad.
Another.
Goblin. Swamp. Bam! The Tremor Ascendancy. Or whatever it is. Yeah, get Webster to open these one.
We have Trail of Mystery.
Oh, for the morphs. Speaking of morph. Bam! Oh my god, it's the same one. No, it's not. It's a different one. Murdu. Ascendancy or something like that.
Bird token.
Bird? That's new. Means you got that Planeswalker.
Forest. You think so? Oh, that would have been a bitch. Dragon Style Twins. Yeah, buddy.
Harvey just got a touchdown. Oh, there's a flag. Morph. Mountain. Bam! Retribution of the Ancients. This sounds awesome. I don't know what it does.
For 1 black, remove the X/1/1 counters.
Target creature gets -1/-1.
Look at that bear token.
Oh. How about that Alpine Grizzly? The Grizzly, though.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Abzan, Addendancy.
We obviously can't say that word.
Or any...
So we're going to kill it all night. Ooh. Rakasha Death Dealer. Yeah, Death Dealer.
Oh, that was foiled.
No,
cool.
he's not foiled.
The Warrior token. Island, and we have Herald of Anafinza. Whatever. If that's how you say it. 1 drop for an onslaught. 1 drop for 1/2. It's not bad.
It's got Outlast on it.
Yeah.
What is this Shisha? There's all kinds of them. This is a cat demon.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry. Y'all can see. I'm sitting there reading it and stuff.
And we have Jeskai. Jeskai, I didn't see. Whatever.
That's that word again. Start referring it to as that word.
That word.
Dragon. Throne of Tarkir. Tarkir. It is Tarkir.
Tarkir. It's Cons of Tarkir.
Cool.
Foil.
Ooh.
And it's Rotting Mastodon.
Correct?
Yeah, Rotting Mastodon. And Howl of the Horde.
Goblin.
Goblin.
Schwamp. Oh my god. Dragon. Throne of the Tarkir. Another flag.
Yep.
Arvin ran it in again.
Yep. Bring it back. Bring it back.
You guys wanted this time.
Warriors. Plains. And
Mountain.
we have Savage Knuckleblade.
Knuckleblade.
That's that cool art. I like that art.
That's sweet. What is it? The Abominable Snowman with some hand blades? I already got rid of my card and my mountain. Flying crane technique.
What?
Untap all creatures you control. They gain flying and double strike until end of turn.
Alright. Flying crane technique.
Flying crane technique.
That's funny.
You're welcome.
That's good. That was a good way to end it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you guys pulled in your packs. Other than that, I got nothing else to say. Do you? Saw you.